Welcome to another edition of STEM Saturdays. This is a video series that I've started that highlights various STEM principles using household ingredients as well as robotics and coding as well. So I hope to make this video series sort of flourish throughout the summertime. So I'll be posting these videos. I have been posting these videos on our Facebook page, but I will be moving them onto YouTube as well, so I have both places that you can enjoy them. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a substance that is, you're probably somewhat familiar with this. It's called Oobleck. It's a combination of cornstarch and water. It's not quite liquid, not quite solid, so I'll show you how to make that. And so let's get started. We have some water right here, and we have cornstarch. And we have a baking tray just like that, and we also have just a little mixing spoon. So yeah, I hope if you watch this video, I hope you'll try it out this weekend as well, and see how it works. Probably hear my dog in the background. He's just crying a little bit. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put the cornstarch right on this baking tray here, just like so. It's a little messy, so definitely be careful with that. Put that over there for now, and I'll take a little water. Now mix the water in, just like so. Now what I'm going to do is just going to mix this up with my spoon here. So here is the mixture right here. As you can see, it is pretty well mixed. It does take a little bit of time to really mix that up nicely. It's a pretty, it gets pretty messy. It's getting all over the stovetop there. But yeah, so definitely be careful with your mixing. Now let's try a few things here. Let's see what happens. I wanna take my fist. I'm gonna try to punch down into this mixture. Let's see what happens. See if anything. Let's see if it explodes out and just a complete mess after this. Let's see if it does anything. As you can see, it barely does anything. It goes right back to where it was. Now I'm gonna take my little finger here. Just gonna run it through. Goes real silky smooth. It goes right back to its shape. Yet if I try to punch down on it, nothing happens. So what we have created here is a non-Newtonian fluid, which means it changes with pressure or force. The greater the force, the greater the resistance. That is why it resisted the force of your fist, but not the gentle sliding of your finger. So thank you for joining us. I hope you try this really fun and incredibly messy science experiment this weekend. I don't know if I mentioned it earlier in the video, but I used a half a cup of cornstarch to a quarter cup of water. Just make sure if you change the size, the size. Just make sure that the cornstarch is double the size of your water. Thanks for joining us, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye. Summer with the library.